Ravenna AI is one of the most exciting AI tools to hit the market recently, and today I'm going to reveal 7 crucial things you need to know about it. Whether you're new to the software or just exploring its potential, stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why Ravenna AI might just be the next big thing in AI technology. First off, Ravenna AI is a new innovative platform designed to help businesses and individuals streamline their operations with smart automation. What sets it apart from other tools? It's built to be user-friendly, meaning you don't need to be a coding expert to make the most of it. If you're someone who's just starting out with AI or looking for a tool that can adapt to your workflow, Ravenna AI could be exactly what you need. Now, let's dive into some key features. The first thing that catches my attention is Ravenna AI's advanced machine learning capabilities. It doesn't just perform tasks based on preset algorithms, it learns and adapts. This makes it a powerful tool for businesses that rely on real-time data and need a system that gets smarter over time. Whether it's automating marketing tasks or optimizing your sales funnels, Ravenna AI adapts to your business needs. Next, Ravenna AI offers an exceptional level of integration with other popular tools. It seamlessly integrates with CRM systems, email marketing software, and project management platforms, making it a versatile solution that fits into your existing ecosystem without the need for complex setups. You can think of it as an all-in-one tool that enhances your existing tech stack rather than replacing it. This is a huge plus for anyone who wants to upgrade their operations without completely overhauling their setup. But that's not all. Ravenna AI includes built-in analytics that give you insights into your workflow performance. This means you can track progress, measure ROI, and make data-driven decisions, all without leaving the platform. The data is presented in a simple, easy-to-understand dashboard, which is a huge benefit if you're not a data analyst but still want actionable insights. The next feature that stands out is Ravenna AI's ability to automate repetitive tasks. Let's be honest, doing the same thing over and over again can be time-consuming and boring. With Ravenna AI, you can automate everything from customer outreach to report generation, freeing up your time for more important tasks. This automation feature can drastically improve productivity, especially for small businesses or solopreneurs looking to scale without hiring a team. One thing that impressed me is Ravenna AI's focus on personalization. Whether you're sending out emails or interacting with customers, the platform allows you to customize interactions based on user behavior. This level of personalization leads to more meaningful engagement, which can ultimately drive conversions and increase customer satisfaction. If you're someone in digital marketing or sales, this feature alone is worth its weight in gold. If you're worried about support, Ravenna AI has you covered. The customer service is top-notch, with a team that's responsive and ready to help with any issues or questions you might have. This is particularly useful for those who might be new to using AI or are concerned about the learning curve. And before I wrap up, I want to mention that you can try Ravenna AI completely free from the first link below. Yes, completely free. This is a great opportunity to dive in and see if it's the right fit for your needs without any risk. To summarize, Ravenna AI brings a powerful combination of ease of use, advanced features, and seamless integration. It's the perfect solution for businesses looking to step up their AI game. But remember, these are just a few of the highlights. For a deeper dive, make sure to check out the link below to start your free trial. I've tested thousands of AI tools over the years, and after using Ravenna AI, I can confidently say it's one of the best new tools on the market right now. Check out my recommended AI softwares in the description, and as always, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.